Hey everyone, welcome to, I hate to say it, buffer episode of Working with Coffee because we had so much to elaborate about, and this is one thing that we've just been thinking about so much.
Thinking
Uh,
about is an understatement. We are obsessed with.
so much that we just had to talk about it. Yeah, I think we should put a timer to this because if we start, we should
20
not. We'll not.
minutes. 20 minutes.
20
We'll
minutes.
talk about it 20 minutes.
But how has life been, Ria? What is this thing that has engulfed your life so much lately?
Dude, I knew when Rebel Kid did a comeback. After that, I got really obsessed with it. Obsessed with her, essentially. But her in Traitors is a whole new personality I'm getting to know, and I'm loving it.
Yeah,
Everything about it, like how strong she is and how she puts her views. And in general, Rebel Kid being there feels like a personal win. Like my
yeah,
friend Manju recently tweeted about it also. That Rebel Kid in movies or Rebel Kid in reality shows feels like a personal win. It's
yeah,
so true. It
yeah,
does. It feels like
yeah,
I knew her since COVID. I'd seen her COVID Wale reels also. And then just eventually her personality change
yeah.
and everything. And then watching her do this is crazy.
Yeah.
I love it.
You know, I don't think that I would have started to watch Traitors if not for her. Um, Also because when she was doing the comeback, she was just talking about it so
Yeah.
much. She was like, "मैं एक show पे आऊंगी. I've been so mean in that show," and it's just a build up, right? It's a
Yeah.
curiosity कि ऐसा क्या है. But
Yeah.
I don't know about the concept at all. Like I've not seen any Western Traitors, by the way, and it was very new for me. So when I started, the intention was just that okay, what the fuck is this, and why is everyone talking about it on the internet? But once I did, and I feel like the format is pretty cool where they're just releasing 3 episodes. If it had
Yeah.
been one episode, it would have been too long. If it's all at
Yeah.
once, then it would have been too blah. But there's so much context in every single episode which gets carried to the next episode. So I think that was the reason why I got so hooked. So hooked. And the
Hmm.
last 3 episodes I think were my favorite so far.
Same. They were
Because
my
oh my god.
favorite. Like I was madly in love with it. But also, like how you mentioned that you wouldn't have watched if it was not for her, or just watching because you've not seen that. I watch all reality shows, and it's my personal guilty pleasure. But I watch all reality shows. Love is Blind, 6, 8 seasons have come. I've watched all of them. Too Hot to Handle. The Mole is very similar to the Traitors. So if you've liked it, you can watch it. I watch all reality shows, but this has to be a bit more special because I feel like one, it's a lot of people we know, like Harsh Gujral, Raftar, or Apurva. All of these people, seeing them together is much more fun. So while American reality TV is my guilty pleasure, this one
Yeah.
is not a guilty pleasure because I feel I'm much more passionate about it, and something I'm this passionate about can't really be a guilty
Yeah.
pleasure.
I just want to digress a little and say that Ria has such range because one day she'll be watching Love is Blind and Too Hot to Handle, and the other day she'll be watching Ted Bundy and What's Happened with Dahmer and
Yeah.
Desi Crime. And this is such a wide spectrum to operate in. And there
Yeah.
would be a lot of times when I'm like, "Hey Ria, what do you watch for fun?" And she's like, "There's this murder documentary."
I love true crime also. I
I know, I
love
know.
murder document.
Insane,
Even Aman
insane.
is scared of how much I love them. But I love them. But like very randomly on a Saturday night, he is watching a South Indian movie. I am watching, oh, this wife murdered her husband and how she hid the pieces and this and whatnot. And I'm like, both are different. Like he'll be watching some very random South Indian movie with again very crazy, crazy scenes happening, and mine is this, and both of us are sitting together watching. I love them.
But,
Yeah,
but
while
coming
you,
back to traitors, what do you think
yeah.
about the choice of traitors this season? Do you think,
Oh, so initially I was very like, what? So I didn't know Purav Jha at all,
same, same,
or Elnaz at all before the
same?
show started,
I didn't know
and
Raj
now
also.
also. Oh, I knew Ra. I mean, because of the controversies, and I think I am from Mumbai, so these kind of
Yeah,
things we just come to know about. But like I knew about
yeah,
Raj. But so Raj being traitor was, I was like, okay, great choice. But I actually was with everyone. You know how everyone in the first episode was like, Mahib या सूफी या अंशुलम से एक को तो बनाएंगे. सेम मैं भी वही सोच रही थी. मैंने कहा करण जौहर अपने वाले लोगों में किसी एक को तो बनाएगा. बट उसने वो नहीं करा एंड ही मेड दीज. पूरा जो है ना, हैड नो क्लू अबाउट, राइट. तो फिर मेरे को तो लगा किसको बना दिया है, कौन है. तो मेरा इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा सा कम हुआ when he made them, because it would have been more masaledar if people I knew would have become traitors, you know. And people who know Purav Jai and Nas from the start would have felt that, oh, great choice. But because I didn't know them at all, I was like, it would have been crazy if Apurva or Harsh Gujral or Urfi and all of them had like become traitors, because I knew somewhat of them. What do you think?
Yeah, Rajta I thought was a really bad choice. I think it was just he's just, oh my god, he changed so much in the second episode, man. It was too evident. Like Apurva came up with 15 points on why he's the traitor. Imagine that evident. So
True.
Raj, I think, was a really bad choice. But what I'm not, and maybe I'm not seeing other traitors, but what I'm not liking as much, or what I didn't like as much, is that the traitors in themselves had no coordination. And
Yeah.
like they didn't have any all of them always had, like, both Ilnaz and Purav, they always had like difference of opinions. And
Yeah.
Purav is always throwing Ilnaz under the bus, and Ilnaz is knowing from other people. Purav ne ऐसा कहा कि वो Ilnaz का नाम निकला. मतलब which means that
Yeah.
she is taken aback by all of this.
Yeah.
And Purav writing Harsh's name in the last episode when Harsh is his closer friend than Apurva, who's just
Yeah.
become his friend. So I just don't understand that psyche as much, because I feel like, okay, at least I know that, for example, first episode when they had to rule out Raj because everyone is voting for Raj. You can't be the only person who's like, "Meko
Yeah.
Raj nahi karna." I understand that you need to protect yourself, but
Yes.
going out of your way to throw the other traitor under the bus is a game I don't understand as much.
I kind of understand though why they're doing it, especially just for the show part. Because if you vote for them and they turn out to be a traitor, people are going to be like, अच्छा फिर तो तू नहीं है. क्योंकि but then he can also later be like, यार देखो मैंने उस दिन उसके लिए वोट किया था, अगर मैं ट्रेटर होता तो मैं करता उसके लिए वोट. And do that kind of a discussion.
Which I understand कि circle of शक में करना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
But otherwise तुम क्यों कर रहे
Discussions
हो?
में तो वो क्यों करता है? But also I feel like he didn't like Elnaz since the start.
Yeah, I agree.
Like Purav Jha had this thing where starting से Elnaz के साथ ही मिशन करना पड़ेगा. Oh my God, मुझे नहीं करना यार. Elnaz को बनाना है. Shit यार करेंगे, चलो कुछ कर लूंगा यार. Every time he didn't like her in the start. He liked her and he was like कि अरे कोई और crazy इंसान होता. जैसे अगर रफ्तार होता तो वो रफ्तार को बनाता. रफ्तार तब तक निकल जाएगा था, इसलिए उसने हर्ष को बनाया. And wait, I'm starting the next 10 minutes. But anyway, उसने हर्ष को बनाया. But उसने फिर भी हर्ष को क्यों वोट किया something crazy, because इस केस में he should have tried to go for Apurva ताकि हर्ष 100% safe हो जाता, and he would have had two people as the traitors जो चल सकते थे. But Purav Jha is also smart. उसने सोचा होगा कि अकेले पैसा जीत जाएगा, ट्रेटर्स जीतेंगे तो.
मेरे को लगता है it's mainly अकेले पैसा जीत जाएगा, because Purav has such high chances of winning this show. Even though, like, I actually really liked Elnaz's game also. This
Yeah.
whole, oh, मेरा language barrier है और है, मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या हो रहा है. Like, it's just.
भाई कुछ ज्यादा ही था, but वो है.
But I think it worked. Like, it worked for so long.
So long, yeah.
And what's interesting to me is that everyone had a different strategy, so you would like doubt everybody. अब आशीष सर थे ना, वो जो who would sleep
So
and not do
जाते थे
anything.
जो.
They were like, हाँ, this is my strategy. Then Raftar is being defensive. This is a strategy. Karan is being chup. So that's a strategy. Like, it's just, you would judge everyone for everything.
True.
Like, Jasmine is like, Apurva तूने 2 बार bluff किया तो तू है कुछ भी.
Dude, Jasmine comes up with the right logic to the wrong decision. Always.
बहुत dumb हूँ traitor नहीं. There's this one scene, okay, where Apurva is like, I'm going to talk to Jasmine. And Jasmine is like, why haven't I been cut out? And she's like, babe, do you want me to tell you the truth?
I love it. Babe, do you want me to tell you? Bhai, it's so cool. And You know, in the recent one, Apurva said, like in Vanarasi की, मैंने ना जैस्मिन से लड़ाई कर ली, उसको सब बता दिया वो कितनी इरिटेटिंग है, तो मेरे दिमाग में कुछ है नहीं. बट मैं उर्फी को बता नहीं पाई, मैंने ये सब सब तो मेरे दिमाग में उसको रह गया. Which is all of these things make Apurva very relatable.
Yeah.
पता है, like the way she tells Jasmine, मैं बताऊं तुझे कि क्या रीजन है, as a very friend situation. Although we know that they are not friends and she doesn't say they appreciate her, like her, whatever. But do you want me to tell you how dumb you are? And how you're just blindly gonna, it's so easy to manipulate you. मतलब उर्फी 2 मिनट में मैंने जन्नत जैस्मिन को 2 करोड़ बार समझा कर गई है कि मैं निकली, उसके बाद हर्ष को
हर्ष है.
निकालना. हर्ष है, मुझे पता है, उसको फिनाले के पहले निकाल दो, तो एक ही सब बता कर गई है उसको. जैस्मिन को आधा सेकंड नहीं लगा है उर्फी की बकवास सुनने के बाद अपना डिसीजन चेंज करने में.
Understand why Urfi is so influential. Like, I think Harsh, of course, hangs out with her because I'm not sure they're friends now, but it's just like Urfi is protecting him so much, no matter what comes, right? So it makes sense for them to stick together. But I don't understand how there was this task where everyone was just saving Urfi, and then everyone in the episodes was like, she's very influential, she's very. I don't understand why.
Plus one. I don't
Like,
understand
like
that.
it's beyond me because a lot of points she makes does not make sense.
Yeah.
Does she have really good connections with them outside of traitors? I'm not sure because they're like, oh, now we've become friends and now I'm same गाड़ी में तो तुम दोस्त बन गए. So it's just very iffy to me. Or maybe she's very vocal and yet she's an innocent, so she's just like an easy person to have around.
Yeah, I think people feel, and a lot of, so I think no one wants to get on her bad side because she's really bad. She's very disrespectful in the wrong sense. Like Apurva is also disrespectful at times, but she's disrespectful if you've done something bad to her, right? And I think at that point, people should not, I won't say be disrespectful, but people should be mad at you, and they will talk to you a certain way.
Yeah.
You know, but, and I feel like that zamana where, and that was about 30 years ago, but
Yeah.
where you could tell anything to a girl and then she won't tell you anything back. That's gone.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I am for it. I am for this. कि यही होना चाहिए. कुछ
Hmm.
बोला है हमें तो सुनोगे. And no matter where you're coming from.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think
100%.
Apurva comes from that side, and there's a
Yeah.
lot of hatred reels about, ओ उसने इस तरीके से बात कर ली, उसने राज को बोला था, ओ तुम शट अप, तुम्हें चांस मिलेगा. Game चल रहा है. She wants to put her point and she told someone, just shut up, let me talk and give you a chance. At that kind of a situation where things are so hyper and you have like set 10 minutes before which you have to give all your information so people vote for him and get out, it's fine.
Can
But
I just say I love her video diaries?
I love.
I love her. I live for her
And
video diaries.
I love for her video. Like Apurva's video diaries have so many expressions, so many good lines.
I
And
laugh. I am cracking up every time there's a video diary come up. She's
like, oh, I've got a dad. I am having fun. I don't care if I die. I think I have died. That video diary is a usual day for me. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have a good day. It's gonna be awesome. I think I'm gonna have a bad day. My coffee is not perfect. So that was just perfect.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. But who do you think is winning?
I would have, and I still want Apurva to win. If there is something I can go back in the
Okay,
game
no,
and
no.
change.
But before that, who do you think will go out in the finale? Harsh or Apurva? Because that they've
How?
left as a cliffhanger.
See, this could be very wrong, but I'm still gonna say I hate her. I don't like her. But एक तो वो बहुत ही गंदी. I think telling someone that you don't deserve to talk to me and you don't have a aukat to whatever words that she used,
That's
they're
very
just
rude.
bad.
Very
It's
rude,
rude,
yeah.
bad, and insane. But
Yeah.
someone who can say stuff like that, and the way she's madly crazy over Harsh Gujral. Hey, Harsh Gujral is amazing. I love him too. He's great. I think she would have voted for Harsh.
She would have voted for Harsh to be out?
No, she would have voted for Apurva so that Harsh can be
Oh.
saved. Which is why I feel like Apurva is going out. And another is, Apurva ने शायद उसके स्टोरी पे या उसके Rebellions Instagram चैनल पे कहीं पर तो लिखा कि in this episode or in the coming episodes के कट में शायद मैं आउट होने वाली हूँ. ऐसा कुछ तो कहीं पे उसने हिंट दिया, या उसने लिखा कि बहुत क्रेजी लोग आउट होने वाले हैं. So if she wrote क्रेजी लोग आउट होने वाले हैं, that means she meant it for Sufi
Sufi
and
and Jannat.
Jannat. But उसने शायद लिखा था कि नॉट रियली रिमेम्बरिंग
एंड
द
डिड शी
स्टोरी।
डिलीटेड उसके बाद?
हाँ,
ओह नो।
या डिलीट करा उसने, या उसने, या मैंने गलत पढ़ा है, या क्या है, मुझे थोड़ा देखना है। बट शी रोट
Yeah.
समथिंग लाइक दिस दैट मेड मी फील लाइक शी इज गोइंग अवे।
You know, I don't think that there is any world in which Urfi will use her brain and be like, हाँ हर्ष मुझे यूज कर रहा था, and हाँ अपूर्वा innocent है, हर्ष traitor है. I don't think there is any fucking world where Urfi will have that level of intellect and that level of revelation where she'll be like, हाँ हर्ष गलत है, अपूर्वा सही है. She's like,
तो
मैं
आई थिंक
इमोशन से
उसको
सोचती
राइट
हूँ.
रॉन्ग तो पता ही नहीं है लाइफ में, मुझे लगता है।
Yeah.
जो एक इंसान के राइट रॉन्ग्स होते हैं ना, कुछ तो होते होंगे, इसका कुछ है ही नहीं मुझे लगता है। तो ये क्या ही राइट रॉन्ग, कुछ पता नहीं क्या बेसिक अपने डिसीजंस बनाती है, सिर्फ इमोशनली बनाती है। 20 minutes आर ओवर आई थिंक बाय द, बट मुझे भी लग रहा है, बड़ा विश वो हर्ष को वोट कर दे और पूर्वा बच जाए, फिर
You
अपूर्वा
know
जीत जाए, वुड बी
what I'm really,
आइडियल।
what
बट
I'm
ऑल्सो
really
व्हाट डू
happy
यू थिंक
about.
अबाउट अपूर्वा एंड पूरव एज अ,
मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, अभी तो पूरा हमारा पूरे दोस्त कब थे
वो
फॉर द
लोग वो
एंटायर.
पार्टी में, सो आई
हाँ
थिंक
तो
व्हेन
दो
दे,
दिन में क्या. एंड देन पूरव इज, आई नो पूरव हैज अ क्रश ऑन हर, इट्स वेरी एविडेंट because it's constantly
but
like,
apparently Purav is dating someone and he's abhi bhi dating that person,
oh,
and they're like
scandalous,
good and serious. Bro, I
scandalous.
don't know if that person is Apurva.
No, that's was not अपूर्वा, पागल हो. मेरे को तो लगता है ये अपूर्वा है, क्योंकि एक मतलब for the show perspective, until that party, and party maybe Purav was hanging out with the Purva Sufi
Yeah,
because he had to do the task and they were too drunk to notice whatever the crap he's doing.
yeah.
So they're chatting बीच में, वो drawer वॉर खोल के सब ढूंढ रहा है. He's like, these people are not going to notice, and they of
Yeah.
course didn't notice, and he did that task very well. I need to give it to him then. But he's like, मैं हर्ष भाई को मैं कैसे समझाऊं, मुझे अपूर्वा के साथ वो कनेक्शन फील हो गया. अपूर्वा तेरी
मेरे,
दोस्त कब थी?
अरे उन्होंने ना दिखाया नहीं है शायद वो स्टोरी एंडेड, बट मुझे लगता है that during that night they actually became really good friends because
एक
you'll
मिनट,
notice.
एक मिनट.
हाँ, मैं I relate.
But then will you give away, like, you know how initially
I will give my
Raftaar,
kidney. मैं किसी से एक दिन बहुत अच्छे से बात कर लूं, मेरा खास जिगरी दोस्त बन जाए, मैं उसको कुछ भी दे दूं।
but Harsh, Raftaar, and Purav used to be this trio. That's my point. They used to be this, and they, of course, at the end, Harsh and Purav still are to some degree, but they had this very close trio. And they're like, हम तीनों दोस्त, जैसे अपूर्वा जन्नत का था कि हम दोनों हैं
हाँ,
ही.
बट पूरव को शायद हमेशा से ये भी पता है ना कि हर्ष का ट्रायो किसी के साथ भी हो, हर्ष
Hmm.
उसी वाली टीम में भी खेलता है।
Hmm. मुझे पता है, to some degree, it feels like Purav is a people pleaser.
ऑफ कोर्स।
Like, he's like, mm,
अबे यार ये भी तो देखो, छोटा है यार वो, आई थिंक इज 21-23।
हाँ, but to a degree that हर्ष ने समझा रहा है कि भाई तुम मुझे ट्रेटर बना के थोड़ी मुझे मार देगा, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट लाइक उसने काफी से कॉन्टेक्स्ट दिया पहले
या,
और बिल्डअप किया कि मुझे मत मार दियो.
हाँ,
बट ही वेंट आउट ऑफ हिज वे टू सेव अपूर्वा, व्हिच आई थिंक ही हैड टू, बिकॉज अपूर्वा गिव हिम द डैगर. सो इफ इट डिडंट, इट वुड हैव जस्ट बीन अ बैड लुक कि हाँ यही है, इसने क्यों नहीं बचाया, या इसने हर्ष को क्यों बचाया, या कुछ भी. लाइक इट वुड
और
हैव बीन
भाई
टू एविडेंट.
कितना, कितनी दम है यार, लेकिन जैस्मिन, इससे मुझे वापस याद आ रहा है, अपूर्वा ने अपने दो प्यारे वोट्स अपने जिगरी दोस्तों को मारेगी क्या यार।
वो कुछ भी पॉइंट लाती है वो. तूने 2 बार ब्लफ किया इसलिए तू
भाई
है
पॉइंट
तो.
तो कुछ भी ना अपूर्वा भी लाती है। फिर रिमेम्बर दैट मिशन, सो द डे रफ्तार गॉट आउट,
हम्म.
यू रिमेम्बर दैट मिशन जिसमें रफ्तार एंड सूफी में से कोई
हाँ
क्वेश्चन
हाँ
था,
हाँ हाँ.
रफ्तार पूरा ने पूरा लॉजिक दिया कि रफ्तार क्यों डालेगा आंसर, अगर रफ्तार ट्रेटर होता तो वो ये करता, पूरा ट्रेटर्स ने हमें गुमराह करने के लिए रफ्तार डाला है ये वो, बट फिर कुछ तो बोलकर कहती है रफ्तार ही है, एंड आई एम लाइक
क्या?
यू हैव गॉट
but
सो राइट।
but anyone is putting all of this because when that task happened of Raftar and Sufi, then Raftar is giving logic like मैंने reality shows किए हैं और जहाँ कैमरा होता है वही थिएटर होता है. कुछ भी.
यार सब लोग ने यहाँ पे मतलब करी तो बहुत ही मस्ती है।
And then there's so many permutations and combinations you can make. You're like, I'm just throwing darts to see what sticks.
Yeah.
But coming back to finale,
Yes.
I think Purav has a very high chances of winning.
Yeah. Same.
I think it's very likely that he will win and not the
Yeah.
innocents.
Yeah.
Because even if, let's say, in my permutation,
But अगर अपूर्वा बच गई ना,
यार कैसे बचेगी
तो
यार?
इनोसेंस जीत जाएंगे.
अगर
यार देखो उर्फी भी ना पीपल प्लीजर तो है.
हाँ,
ठीक है. अब बस उसको आता नहीं है बनना पीपल प्लीजर, उसको लोगों को प्लीज करना आता नहीं है, उसके लहजा तहवी जो भी होता है उसमें है नहीं पर्सनालिटी में. बट शी इज अ पीपल प्लीजर बिकॉज आई थिंक इन वन ऑफ हर वीडियो डायरीज ऑल्सो शी सेज कि मेरे लिए इट्स अ वेरी हार्ड नर्व अगर कोई मुझसे रिस्पेक्ट ना करे, कोई मुझे वो ना करे. एंड दैट्स अ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ
People
पीपल
pleaser,
प्लीजर ट्रेट, राइट?
100%.
तो वो उस कारण हो सकता है थोड़ा चांस है कि अपूर्वा का नाम दे.
यार बट अगर वो पीपल
अपूर्वा को
प्लीजर है
बचा
तो अगर वो पीपल प्लीजर है तो वो हर्ष को प्लीज करेगी ना.
नहीं करेगी. बट आई थिंक उसको काफी हिट भी हो रहा है, उसको ना हर्ट तो हो रहा है दैट हर्ष इज डूइंग स्टफ लाइक दैट.
हाँ, the last comment he's made is जैसी लड़की से कैसे. हाँ, fair,
तो उसको
fair.
कुछ चीजें हर्ट हो रही है बट फिर भी वो डम तो पता नहीं.
यार
उर्फी
I
इज
am
वन ऑफ, कोई भी और होता ना जिस पे ये लोग छोड़ते हैं चल जाता है, उर्फी पे छोड़ा है. वो तक नंबर की समझ भी नहीं आती.
I will tell you my speculation, then you tell me yours. I think
Done.
Apurva is unfortunately going out in the last episode. And I think while I would have loved to see her in the finale, I think that's okay because they used to get paid every single day and she has gotten paid for all of the days. So I'm just happy for her. That
I love how she says देहाती मिल रही है, देहाती मिल रही है.
Exactly. उसको मिली है इसकी दिहाड़ी. So that Apurva will go out because Urfi is stupid.
Yeah.
Then even if people are, the second shock is Harsh. So even if innocents are like, हाँ हर्ष को अपसाइड निकाल सकते हैं, तब भी no one is talking
Purav
about
जीत
Purav
जाए.
yet.
Yeah.
So it's very likely that he has Harsh might go out but Purav has a chance of winning. But ऐसे कैसे होता है कि अगर दो ट्रेटर बच्चे हो तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि एक ही ट्रेटर जीते हैं ना.
Yes. Which is why मुझे लगता है पूरब हर्ष को निकालने के लिए आता था.
maybe
ताकि
he
वो
wants the
सारा
entire
पैसा
money
ले
to
जाए.
himself. Yeah.
But so my speculation and this is that अब आपने वो वाला एंगल ले लिया ना कि हर्ष जा रहा है, मैं एंगल के हर्ष बच गया और मुझे लगता है उर्फी में कुछ तो क्रेजी आएगा. आइदर हर पीपल प्लीजिंगनेस और हर इमोशनल पावर ऑफ ओके हर्ष ने जितना हर्ट कर दिया अब मुक्का मारूंगी क्योंकि शी इज लाइक दैट आल्सो. किसी ने उसको हर्ट कर दिया वो पागल हो जाती है, तो वो पागल हो जाए और वो हर्ष का नाम लिख दे और अपूर्वा बच जाए. इन दैट केस आई थिंक अपूर्वा के लिए नेक्स्ट डे वुड बी इनफ टू फिगर आउट कि पूरब है तो वो पूरब को वोट करेगी एंड देन द इनोसेंस विल विन.
यार Apurva now has on her Instagram said a lot Purav को जीत के आना, जीत के आना, जीत के आना.
That's also.
So I'm a little.
बट वो गुमराह कर रही हो हमें भी. रियल लाइफ ट्रेटर्स हो रहा है क्योंकि वो देखो बहुत अच्छी तो है इसमें हर बात. मेरे पास शील्ड है, मेरे पास शील्ड है, मेरे पास. But यार her and Jannat's friendship and her and Sufi's friendship has my heart.
Her and Sufi's I think is
Sufi को क्या
incredible.
चुगली कर रहे वो दोनों जब I also don't like Nikita and I don't like her क्योंकि
What is the point of her?
मैं तो पोकर प्लेयर्स, मेरे को तो पता जिंदगी भर आज तक मैंने कोई पोकर प्लेयर को रियल लाइफ में देखा नहीं था. ठीक है सच बता रही हूँ. बट मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट पता था मुझे ऐसे होते हैं लोग और मैं रिस्पेक्ट देती थी. मैं सोचती थी क्या दिमाग वाले स्मार्ट लोग होते होंगे कि कार्ड्स काउंट करने होते हैं, लोगों को चेहरा रीड करना होता है. 50 क्रेजी पीपल. आई कांट रीड पीपल. तो
4
पोकर
साल
पेपर वाला
शक में तो अंचल बोल दिया.
भाई मैं कह रही हूँ पोकर पेपर के लिए जो भी रिस्पेक्ट था मेरा चला गया. निकिता जैसे अगर प्लेयर्स होते हैं पोकर प्लेयर जो फेमस हो जाते हैं इतने क्रेजी हो जाते हैं तो
निकिता फेमस है मुझे नहीं पता.
भाई मैंने सबका इंस्टाग्राम का स्टॉक किया है. आई नो एवरी यू से नेम आई नो देयर फॉलोअर काउंट बट दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. शी इज रियली व्हाटएवर बिग राइट. पता नहीं क्या उसका अलग अपना वॉक करती रहती है. मैं इसका नाम ले लूं, मैं इसका नाम. और हर चीज में बिकॉज मैं पोकर प्लेयर हूँ मुझे सब अपना प्रोफेशन ला नहीं रहे तो ये लाई जा रही हर जगह. बाकी लोग बोल रहे हैं
अच्छी पोकर प्लेयर है तो बनना ट्रेटर. क्यों रिजेक्ट किया फिर? मत रिजेक्ट करती है.
कहते मुझे लगता है इनोसेंस बन के लोगों को पकड़ने में मजा है. पकड़ तो पा नहीं रही.
She's like, अब मुझे लग रहा है अंशुला नहीं है, and then she I think gave another name, which was
Yeah,
also wrong.
which is also wrong.
But
आता
anyway,
नहीं है उसको.
I think Riya, I really hope that your speculation is right and mine is wrong.
Yes, I want Apurva to win. But I
Yeah,
know yours is gonna be the right one. And Apurva will win.
I hope yours is, but we will see. Maybe on Thursday.
Okay.
We should do a
Bye.
Birkin with coffee watch party after.
I am in.
I'm in.
You want to watch together on Riverside and then record it and then like
Reacted? 100%.
great.
Okay.
Chalo. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you everyone. And
See you next
follow us,
time.
subscribe us, do whatever that is. Because हम भीख नहीं मांगने वाले लेकिन थोड़ी सी मांग रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारा पास कुछ भी नहीं है और हम चाहते हैं हमारा हर वीडियो एटलीस्ट 500 लाइक तो पहुंचना शुरू करे और हम भी अमीर बने शायद हम भी जाएंगे द थिएटर्स में क्या क्रेजी हो जाएगा मान
Would you want to be a traitor or innocent? Last question, pakka.
I would want to be a traitor.
Yeah.
हाँ फिर उसी जैसे जितने भी लोग हैं सबको पहले निकाल देंगे हट सर खा
पता
खचर
चल
पचर खचर पचर
फिर आपको पता चल जाएगा ना. I think
क्या
this is the reason Apurva was okay. She was like, I want to be a traitor. Because I'm not kill anyone who's rude to me.
yes
I
yes
kill anyone who's mean to me.
yeah feel like I could be a good traitor actually no I can't मेरे को घंटे से शूट करना है मैं झूठ बोल ही नहीं सकती
ऐसा but मैं बोलने वाली थी आप you will be an amazing traitor because you're too friendly, like your personality is too bubbly, so you're friends with
वही
everybody.
वही अपूर्वा ने बोला था ना मैं ट्रेटर होती मैं याप कर करके 50 लोगों को बता चुकी होती मैं भी मैं बताती नहीं तो मेरा चेहरा बता देता कोई मुझसे गुस्सा कर रहा होता मैं उसको ऐसे देख रही होती तू रात को गया but I feel like I मतलब अब if I have to even surprise someone my stomach hurts ट्रेटर अगर मैं बन जाती ना मेरा पेट दुख के मेरे खाली खराब हो जाए
या मुझे लगता है अगर मैं ट्रेटर बनती ना तो I would have been a Purav kind of traitor. I was like the underdog and I was like हाँ नहीं मेरे दोस्त यही हैं and like very I would have been a
आप
very
पूरा
low
काइंड
profile.
ऑफ ट्रेटर बनती और मैं बहुत गंदी राज काइंड ऑफ ट्रेटर बनती तो अच्छा हुआ मैंने मुझे इनोसेंट आपका क्वेश्चन था ट्रेटर इनोसेंट आई वांट टू बी एन इनोसेंट मैं बहुत गंदी ट्रेटर यू वुड बी अ वेरी गुड पूरव काइंड ऑफ
I'll be a Purav
and
kind of
you
traitor.
can also play Elnaz kind of traitor
I'm not that good of an actor, unfortunately. I can't do hair. I'm not understanding.
but that is true you will be tempted to use the 1,000 princess that you have
I have 1,000 with coffee, but I don't know if they serve coffee as much in traders. It was an idea thing. Okay,
crazy
let's see what happens on Thursday and let's try to do a watch party.
bye guys thanks for watching